The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Alcatel 3V for Metro by T-Mobile. So the Alcatel 3V is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. This is the 2019 version of the Alcatel 3V. This is an update over the Alcatel 3V from last year, which Metro got that phone last year. Also, they got this phone as well. It's a nice looking phone, pretty great specs for what it is. A budget phone, of course. This is a budget phone. Looks very nice, and yeah. So it says Alcatel 3V, the new face of mobile entertainment. So quick specs on the phone, you guys will notice. First thing will pop off is the screen size, which is 6.7 inches HD plus full view display, 18:9. So that is correct. That is a 6.7 inch display. That's right, 6.7 inches. It's fucking crazy. That's Galaxy S10 5G level right there. You have dual rear cameras in the back, 16 and 5 megapixels, and you have 4,000 mAh battery. Alright, so it's really good specs and stuff. So that's the phone right there. Very nice phone. Your power and your RAM keys are on the right side of the phone. So the Alcatel 3V is free when you put your number over the Metro by T-Mobile and activate it on an unlimited plan, I believe. So yeah, the full retail price of this Alcatel 3V is $189.99, so $190. So not too bad, I guess, so there's the front phone. You guys have your front facing camera and your earpiece are on the front there. You got shortcuts to your phone and your camera there, and this down like the screen and stuff like that. So let's take this phone for a spin, shall we? So like I said, your power button and your volume keys are on the right side of the phone. And then on the back of the Alcatel 3V 2019 version, you guys have dual cameras. Like I mentioned, they are 16 megapixel and the 5 megapixel camera. There's a 16 megapixel main camera and a 5 megapixel depth sensing camera, I believe. And you have a camera flash, fingerprint sensor, Alcatel logo, and stuff like that. Really nice. On the left side of the phone, you don't have nothing, but I think your SIM card is on the left side of the phone. So yeah. On the top of the phone, you guys have a headphone jack. Yeah, that's what that is, I think. Your headphone jack on top, USB-C cable, microphone, and what the hell's your speaker? It might be a bottom firing speaker, I guess. I'm not really sure, but there's the phone and all. So it says elevate your mobile entertainment experience with the 2019 Alcatel 3V, featuring an immersive 6.7 inch HD plus full view display, stereo speakers, long lasting battery, and a powerful octa-core processor to play all your favorite content. Shoot stylish photos like a pro with 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel dual rear cameras and an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Quickly get answers and get things done on the go with Google Assistant and Google Lens. So that's like the biggest thing about this phone is the battery, which is 4,000 milliamps, and the screen size, which is 6.7 inches. That's crazy, dude. God damn. So the specs on this phone, like I said before, immersive 6.7 inch HD plus full view display, stereo speakers, amplify your games and videos, long lasting 4,000 mAh battery for all day use, dual 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel depth sensing rear cameras for high quality fast focus pictures and bokeh effect. You also have an octa-core processor, delivers smooth performance and optimized battery life. Alright, so that's the front there. On the front there, like I said before, 6.7-inch HD plus full view display. Enjoy immersive mobile entertainment. Dual 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel rear cameras for high quality fast focus pictures. 4,000 mAh battery, long lasting battery for all day use. So the specs on this phone are really good. Built for entertainment, of course. You guys will know, big ass screen. Maximize your mobile entertainment experience with an Alcatel 3V featuring stunning 6.7-inch HD plus full view display and immersive stereo speakers. I'm not sure what game they're showing there, but okay. It says powerful performance, powered by an octa-core processor, 3 GB of RAM, and a large 4,000 mAh battery to handle everything from movie streaming to gaming. And the game that they're showing here on the screen here is Forge of Empires. That's the name of the game. If you guys can check it out, go right ahead and check it out. Awaken the artist within you. Dual 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel depth sensing cameras, depth sensing rear cameras with real-time bokeh effect and AI sense detection for pro-like photos that stand out. Y'all guys can check out this little video there if you guys are interested. Also, the Alcatel 3V also features Metro Play. If you guys don't know what Metro Play is, it's basically, you know, get more from your new phone with Metro Play. This phone includes Metro Play, an app offering curated content from over 50 of today's most popular channels, all for free. Just swipe right from the home screen and tap the Metro Play tab at the top. Yeah, they'll show you guys how to do it right there on the screen. So that's pretty cool. Specs on this phone are really good. Like I said, this is a budget phone. I think it's worth the price of what they're asking for. If y'all guys can get this phone for free if you guys put your number to Metro. That's a fucking win. Storage wise, 32 GB of ROM. You get about 23 GB available to the user. You also have a micro SD card slot to expand that storage. 6.7-inch HD plus full view display, 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel dual rear cameras with flash, and 8 megapixel front facing camera. External storage up to 32 GB of external storage via micro SD. Mobile hotspot, 26 hours of talk time, Android 9.8 Pie. There's your octa-core. Your processor is 2 GHz octa-core process. I'm not sure what the chipset is. Probably a MediaTek processor, I guess. I'm not really sure. I doubt it's Snapdragon. I doubt it, but you know, nonetheless, still not bad. Weight of the Alcatel 3V, 6.98 ounces. So here are some accessories for the Alcatel 3V 2019 version. So if you guys want to check it out, try Amazon so they have any accessories for the Alcatel 3V 2019 version. So if you guys look on Amazon for accessories for this phone, make sure that you guys type in Alcatel 3V 2019 version. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Alcatel 3V 2019 version is now at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available for free when you guys put your number over the Metro, or it's $189.99 for retail price. In my opinion, I think it's worth the $189.99. I think it's worth it because you're getting a big ass screen, 6.7 inches. That is Galaxy S10 plus. That is Galaxy S10. 5G territory there, but the S10 5G has better resolution, of course. 4,000 mAh battery on this phone. You're getting hotspot, 32 GB of ROM, 3 GB of RAM, Type C. I think it's fast charging on this phone. I think it's fast charge. I think. So you're getting a lot of good stuff on this phone. You're getting dual rear cameras. You're getting a lot of good stuff on this phone. So if you guys like Alcatel phones, this one's worth checking out. It's a nice looking phone. If there was a CDMA version of this phone, I would check this phone out if there was a CDMA version, but I don't know if there is. But nonetheless, this is a nice looking phone, great specs for what it is, a budget phone. So if you guys are looking to check out a great budget phone in terms of specs on paper, the Alcatel 3V 2019 has you covered with that. Big screen, big battery. The list just goes on. This is a great phone in terms of specs. I don't know how it performs in real life or nothing like that. So yeah, there you guys have it. Alcatel 3V 2019, now available at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. Every last man a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.